Hey, this is Jack at TC3. Today we're going to replace a license plate bulb in a 2008 to 2012 Chevrolet Malibu. So it will be down in the bumper cover, and it will be through the license plate frame, the chrome license plate frame. It's just two Phillips head screws holding it in, so you just need a Phillips head screwdriver and that should do her. Just kind of pull it out through the hole. And you're going to remove your light bulb socket. Just a quick counterclockwise quarter turn and pull it out. Your bulb just pulls out of this socket. So get rid of that old burnt out bulb. I decided to put an LED in here. You don't have to. It's a little brighter. I like bright. So if you put it in backwards, these are polarity sensitive. It will not light. I did that on purpose to show you. So you have to put it in the right way for it to work. Just have your lights on and check it. And again, you're going to take your light bulb socket and just in a clockwise direction put it back in. Slide your little light back up through the hole. This is not fitted really well. This almost looks like an afterthought by Chevrolet putting this in here. I mean, it doesn't look like it belongs there. Like, you don't see it when you're standing outside, but when you take it off, you're like, wow, it doesn't look that great. So when you put your light assembly back in, just get your fingers up there, pull it backwards, and get your screws started, tighten her up, and that's about it. Thanks for watching as always.